Rise and shine, you disgusting little thing. Of all the units you could have been placed in, you just had to come where I was stationed. I can't even stand to look at you. Open it up! Head downstairs to where the line is and make no sudden moves. I'm watching you.
Il n'y a rien à voir ici, madame. Bougez de là.
Pick up that can. Now throw it away back there.
Siadaj, żebym mógł ci zrobić zdjęcie. Weź swoją kartę i przejdź na miejsce pracy. Mam nadzieję, że zaharują cię na śmierć.
Wow, you're just as ugly in the pictures. But that's on me. What did I really expect from a human? Head right in and the supervisor will fill you in on what needs to be done.
Ah, l'humain. Quoi? Tu vas rester planté là et essayer de te faire un pote? Prends une pioche et au boulot! Ces rochers vont pas s'extraire tout seuls! Hein.
Oh, it's you. Look at where your antics have landed us both. You fool. I'm never reaching the beach now. You're never seeing your children again.
Allez, assez discuté! Au travail!
This is all your fault. The surgeon runs everything now.
Ça ira pour aujourd'hui. J'ai été sympa parce que c'est ton premier jour. Demain, ça sera au moins le double. Et reviens ici demain à la même heure. Hein. Et après-demain. Et le jour suivant. Et tous les jours. Rends ce papier et retourne te coucher.
Psst, hey tú, no entres todavía. El jefe quiere hablar contigo. Acompáñame. Muéstrate respetuoso ahí dentro o tendrás que vértelas conmigo.
If it isn't Syringian's puppet, the provoker of gorillas, the survivor of impossible odds. Half of my body is still numb because of you and your doing. I should have ended you when I had my chance, but we are in the present now. You know, you remind me of myself. We have both done all the dirty work for Syringian, only to be played for fools in the end. I trust you feel the rage of betrayal that burned through me the moment I came out of the pouch. But this changes tonight. You, myself, and my friend keeping watch, you are getting out of here tonight. Luck is clearly on your side, and we definitely need that. Grab anything you need and meet me here in a few hours. Anybody hear about our little meeting here, and your head will be my lunch.
Sigue el plan, ¿ok?
Well, well, well. Meet your new warden, you cockroaches. You thought you could just simply escape my prison, didn't you? I've been enforcing the law for all my life, you fools. And as such, I know my way around criminals a little too well. They say everyone has a price. The price of your friend here just happens to be a strawberry lollipop.
Lo siento, chicos. Fue una oferta que no pude rechazar.
Everything started to fall apart the moment you showed up, ex-partner. Bitter Giggle, the Queen, the invasion of the Naughty Ones, the singular common factor has never been so clear. For once, I'm on the right side of history. Now justice will be served. And to repurposing they go. Now I'll do what I should have done from the beginning. It ain't bringing anybody back from the dead, but at least I'll be satisfied. What in the?
Everyone, get in the back, now! Buckle up, friends. This ain't my first rodeo.